Assalamualaikum! For today's video, nag-attend po tayo ng Muslim wedding. Ito po yung happenings. Enjoy!
I would also like to ask an apology to our other guests and visitors that unfortunately we can no longer accommodate other guests inside the convention. That's why we have decided to provide chairs and tables outside the convention. So, an apology. Meron po tayong inahanda po para sa mga ibang mga minamahal ho namin bisita. Don't worry, we will still provide chairs and tables for you. Okay? But no longer inside the convention dahil limited po yung capacity. Thank you so much.
Sino dam?
Ben, isa pa.
Ito sipa.
Ito siya sipa. Ben, ganun. Bago. Ay, pataw rin. Tigpiaso niyang gandi lang para matapang.
Ay, putang na ito. Ini yung mga pwede to.
Uy, ikan na.
When you yubos,
Tindahan mo ba sa mo di?
kako kape. Di, naay mo na panday kako.
Parang ginapos mo.
For today's wedding, I'm wearing a long navy blue dress with a big butterfly sleeves. I paired it with my orange Bildawan salay. Bildawan means embroidered, guys. With my 2 power brooch to pin it on my shoulder pads. Of course, gold heavy beaded hijab. I'm just wearing this for a special occasion, guys. Of course, with gold jewelries. Syempre, to wrap it all up, my Chanel handbag. This is the whole body pic of my outfit, guys. Comment down below for your reactions. Thank you pala sa mga sponsors. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. This is the Khalifa and Inawat wedding. We are invited by Anne, the wife of my sister-in-law's Sherwina's brother-in-law. Ay, ang hirap i-explain, basta we call it Iras. And it was held at the LM Metro Hotel here in Zamboanga City. The couples is already married yesterday, August 17. Today, August 18, is their hotel celebration. So here we are.
And all members of the community. That's why I would like to thank all of you, an overwhelming number of visitors today. That's why we are still finding ways to providing you chairs and tables.
Kasi ang invitation
Thank
is
you,
1
mga
o'clock.
minamahal
12:30 nandito na kami. Now it's 2:41, hindi pa nagsistart ng ceremony. Tapos nagdadagdag ng madaming table. Kasi nga, madaming mga dumating na guests, hindi nila na-expect. So, dagdag ng table. While everyone is waiting. So, inom tayo ng coffee para hindi daw tayo antukin. Habang nagmumosang kami dito. Marami kasi po kung mga kasamang marites dito. Ito po, marites number 1. Meet Auntie Emang. Auntie Emang, hi! Say hi, Auntie Emang. Hello. And then another marites is Mama Sang. Hi, Mama Sang. Another marites is Mama Dam. Hi, Mama Dam. With our bugnuting pamangkin. While waiting, we are served with traditional food, Muslim delicacies. They call this lara lara. In English, lara is chili because of its shape. It comes with the various colors: green, red, orange, violet, and yellow. It's a biscuit-like and coated with powdered sugar. They also serve, of course, baulu and panganan. It doesn't have a name, that's why it's panganan. Panganan is made by rice flour. There's also a Tausog delicacies. Snacks. Wow, thank you sa kamay.
Sorry.
Ganyan po yung mga marites, nagpapasahan ng cellphone. Iba yung panganan yun medyo malambot. So, until at this moment, nag-a-add pa rin ng table. Ang dami kasi tao.
Tapos mo kapalingan, tuyot-tuyot dyan.
Celebration.
Emotional
I
masyado
we
yung
call it
pagpasok
the
ng bride.
marriage
Tapos
banquet.
nag-kiss sila dun sa father of the bride, mother of the groom, father of the groom. So itong kasama kong mosang umiiyak.
Panahon.
Tignan mo, umiiyak yan siya kanina. Hindi niya napigilan. Masyado din kasing emotional. Andun na yung groom and bride sa taas ng stage and then nag-bless na sila sa parents. Tapos naging super emotional.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, the couple deserves a big round of applause. Masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang ginawan. Couple as husband and wife. This, therefore, is a solemn and a serious giving all advices to the newly married couple, and it should be kept and observed as such. Ladies and gentlemen, my honor to turn over the ceremony to our officiating Imam, Ustaz Nujur Jamiri Al-Hajj.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi
Ikaw sadya, halawagay mo. Ikaw sadya, panglawagan ko.
Thank you for watching. Alam na. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!